Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to retrieve your Facebook account without email or phone number. So as we all know, this is the only way to forget password, right? So please check it out right there. Now, the thing here is they're gonna ask for your email address right there or phone number. Now, on this video, I'm gonna teach you that you don't need to exactly use email or phone number on this section or this part to further process your retrieval. So basically, just input the username of the Facebook account you're trying to retrieve. On mine, it's gonna be Anthony Stark. Click search, okay? Now, they're gonna give you a lot of options right there. Now, just look for the one that's your account. Now, basically, right now, if you don't have it right here, click on I'm not on the list. If you have it, simply click on this is my account. Okay, that's the first step. Now, for example, you don't have it on the list. They're gonna ask for a friend's full name. Now, even if they're asking for a friend's full name, doesn't mean you're gonna tell them your friends or real life friend's full name. They're asking for a friend of Anthony Stark or any friend connected on your Facebook account you're trying to retrieve, okay? For example, let's say on mine it's gonna be Robert Stark, and then click on search, okay? So it says no result because Anthony Stark doesn't have a friend, or my Facebook account Anthony Stark doesn't have a friend. Now, if you have a friend that you remember, for example, let's just say sample friend. I'm just doing this for discussion purposes, and then once you have it, click on search and you'll be able to retrieve your Facebook account without any email or phone number. The same goes with the one earlier. For example, they're asking for email or phone number, right? Just type in the username of your account and simply, let me just go back right there. It's Anthony Stark, right? Type in the username, click on search. If you found your account right there, click on this is my account, and they're just gonna ask you a security question, and you're good to go without using your phone number or email address. Okay? And that's how you retrieve your Facebook account without email or any phone address. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.